So in the in the software industry, we use the stack to develop the software. A stack means like a multiple layer. Okay, to develop the software, we need the database. To develop the software, we need the front end. To develop the software, we need the back end. To develop the software, we need the mobile app. Okay, so if I talk about the clone stack, it means for the mobile app, I'm going to use the Android and the iOS suite. For front end, I can use what is called any JavaScript-based framework, HTML, CSS, the Vue.js, that's one of them, the front-end framework, React.js, front-end framework, and the other framework, Angular.js, that's also from front-end framework. So anything with the HTML, CSS, and plus any JavaScript-based framework. Each of the framework, they work their different way, but they're JavaScript. For the backend, I have a lot of choice, a lot. I can use the Java programming language for the backend. I can use the Golang for the backend. I can use the Python for the backend. I can use the PHP for the backend. I can use the like a .NET for the backend, so on and so forth. I can also use the Node.js for the backend. So the backend is very wide. So to get the front end, we got the back end, now come to the database. So for the database, I can use the relational database, which is PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle database, Microsoft SQL. I can use any of the database. Or I can use the MongoDB, which is NoSQL, non-relational database. So I have variety of options. But now, how can I select all of this? So the companies have two options. If they select a stack, now we're coming to the stack. If they select front-end React.js, if they select the mobile app React Native JS, if they select backend Node.js, also JavaScript stack, then if they select MongoDB, is called the MARN stack. It's called the M means Mongo, R means React.js, E means Express.js is a backend framework to write the backend logic, and the what is called the, what do you need? Yeah, this is it. And Node means Node.js, means runtime engine. But instead of if we do not use the MongoDB, we can use the PostgreSQL, then it will be HARN stack. Means the Postgres, Express.js, the Node.js, and the React.js, HARN stack. So basically, to development the whole thing, whatever the programming language for the front and back end mobile app using, that's called the stack.
Yes, thank you. And also you mentioned